Hello watch fans and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we'll be looking at one of our Mickey Mouse Disney watch collection. This is a very beautiful watch which is in pristine condition. It comes just as new. So as you can see, the watch crystal is impeccable. We have the crown with the Mickey Mouse ears logo. And here at the back you can also see that it has next to nothing when it comes to signs of wearing. It comes on this black leather watch strap with a silver tone buckle. Also the case of the watch is silver tone stainless steel. The watch is powered by a quartz movement. And a very interesting and beautiful thing about Disney watches, Mickey Mouse especially, is that the watch hands are actually the hands of Mickey Mouse. So as the watch goes around, you can see that we have one hand that is at 2 o'clock and one that is at 12. If we pull the crown, we would be able to change the hour of the watch. Here we have the Disney logo, and it was made by at Watch Factory. And overall a very beautiful watch. If you're interested in buying this watch or any other of our pre-owned or vintage Disney watches, please make sure to follow the link in the description below. Also make sure to go to vintageradar.com as we have thousands of vintage and pre-owned watches for sale. Thank you guys and see you next time.